Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a life-saving skill every Windows user needs: how to back up and restore your files. Before the process, ensure that you have an external storage device with enough space and that your device is fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the process. Let's dive in. Method 1. Backup files using file history. Press Win+I to open Settings. Choose Update and Security. And click File Backup. Before moving forward, connect an external drive to your computer. Then click the Add button, and now you can choose your drive. You'll now see an On/Off slider for automatically backing up my files. Choose More options. You can change how often your files are backed up and choose how long you want your files to be saved. Scroll down. You can add other folders here. To remove a folder, just click and select Remove. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the plus to exclude specific folders. After completing all the settings, return to the top of the page and click Back Up Now. That's it. How to recover files with file history. Press Win+S and search for Restore Your Files with File History and open the tool. Alternatively, navigate to the folder where your lost files were stored. Right-click the folder and select Restore Previous Versions. Browse Backup Versions. Click the Restore button to recover files to their original location. Method 2. Backup files with 4DDiG Partition Manager. More efficient? Now, file history is great for basics, but it has some limitations in speed and function. What if you need more power? Like cloning your entire drive before upgrading hardware? That's where my secret weapon comes in: 4DDiG Partition Manager. 4DDiG's specific functions, such as disk cloning, partition management, selective recovery, and backup, etc., are more efficient than file history. You can check the download link to install it. Once you open 4DDiG Partition Manager, go to Backup and select File Backup. It will create a file backup task. Choose which files you want to backup and click Next. You can customize the storage path by clicking the Change here. You can click Backup Settings at the bottom left corner to set the compression level or shut down after the backup. Once done, click Start. Wait for a few moments. It will complete the backup. How to recover files with 4DDiG Partition Manager. After backing up files with 4DDiG Partition Manager, you can restore files from it when the original file is lost or damaged. In File Backup, click on Restore. Here, you can choose which backup file to restore. Then choose whether you want to save the restored files to another path or restore to the original location. If you choose to restore files to the original location, it will overwrite the source file. Confirm and start to restore. It's so easy. Give it a try. And that's it. 2 ways to bulletproof your data. If this saved you a future headache, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a tech tip. Stay backed up, folks, and see you next time.